Hello everybody, I'm sure you all want to know what I do in my free time, or at least what I've been doing in my free time. Not that I really care whether you do. Well, I do, but you can't really put your input. Anyway, I have, yes, been working on a nuclear reactor. This is a server me and my friend Lego King have been playing on. Oh, that's not loading chunks well. Well, you can see some of the reactor right now. Give it a second. Alright. Yeah. It's up in the sky, I don't know why. I just felt like putting it there. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you around. It's a really cool to build, actually, I think. And I'll just get started. I used bundled cable all the way up there because it looked cool and it was handy. And most of this is from Red Power. I have my reactor controls. There is a lever inside the reactors that's activating redstone signals, so if the reactor blows up, those lights will turn off. There is a mod, I forget what it's called, but if you look in creative mode on the latest Tekkit server, yeah, we are on the 1.2.5 version beta with there's a thermal monitor, and it's set for 4,500 degrees, and if the reactor reaches that much, it activates a redstone signal, stopping the reactor, and it'll light these up. I have two reactors, obviously. Ice machine to cool it down. It's not that complicated. I'll show it to you anyway. And an ice dump. I'll show you that too. It's actually pretty cool. And a switch. Light switch. Not that big of a deal. So, yeah. And we'll go ahead and head on up in a second. Alright guys, I went up and loaded the chunk up there, so it's fine. Anyway, light switch you saw. Go ahead and show you back here. It's not that elaborate of lighting. Just, oof. Yeah, I think it's laggy because of all the machines I have running. Anyway, here's all the wiring. Just kind of did that. Not that elaborate. There's it running up to the ceiling. Light switch is also on a bundled cable. I used just about every single color possible. Reactor lights, both of them. The on-off switches for the reactors, and over here the ice machine and the ice machine and ice dump. So let's head on up, following the fiber or bundled cable. That's it. I know my stuff. Up and around and around and around, because I didn't know what I was doing when I was wiring these two. Anyway, not gonna do that because I'll show you the top first. Yeah, you see, Lego King was having little problems. Warp, where's it? Reactor. Bam! Alright. If I can jump. There we go. Alright. You can see we're just up top. See, down there's their control room. Oh, come on, Chunk, will you load? Thank you. Up here is the unelaborate ice machine. I would have had two, but I just wanted to get it finished. And one works for enough. I hope. Yeah, one's fine. It's doing fine. Uh-oh. I think a timers might be what's lagging out the server. I don't know, but I have mag tubes running down to the reactors, you can see. Oh, that's the ice dump. I'll show it right now. Fiber cable runs all the way up here. Oh, alright. This is just a condenser in here and a bunch of filters I have on redstone timers. Don't know why it's not taking these two. I don't know, this one wasn't working. These two weren't working earlier, just this one. But it managed to fill all the reactors, I guess so. And in emergency, I have the ice dump. Ice dump is actually really cool. What I have is a condenser hooked up to a Mark III collector and a block breaker. In emergency, you hit the lever down there, and block breaker breaks the block, aka the chest, and spews ice everywhere. The transformer will pick it up and send boatloads of ice through to the system. Yeah, the reactor's right below us, and night is upon us. Alright, down here. Yeah, I built this with mercurial lime mostly. pressure plate, I'll explain it in a second. I do have frame machine. I mean, why not? It's red power. Mag tubes running down into the reactor. I'll go ahead and fire them up in a second. I just want to show it to you. So you can see the reactor's in there. It's encased in bedrock. Yeah, I know. But the top is frame machine with a bunch of reinforced stone. More bundled cable. I know, I probably shouldn't have used so much bundled cable. I think I used up every single color. Hit the button. Moves it up. With the frame machine right there. And you can access the reactor now. This is how I have both reactors laid out. I'll go ahead and show you the other one in a second. But that's, I think, about it. You can see when you saw underneath the wire coming up, that's just up through a hole here and then into here. I might as well show you in here. I'll show you both because I wired them differently. Just because there's a lever for the light to let me know if it's broken. Thermal monitor. You can just set it, signal at that much heat. It emits a redstone signal stopping this. Here is my on-off switch. This is actually really cool because since I have the long cable going up here, I have a NOT gate, and the levers down there are reversed, in case you didn't notice. So if their redstone signal is on down there, it's not going to be activating the reactor. So if for some reason the cable, no, wrong way. Yeah, if the lever has to be on for the reactor to run, so if the cable gets broken and I don't have any control up here, the reactors will stop. See? Pretty smart, huh? You just navigate up and around. That's 4 layers of stone around frames. Don't bother telling me I could have been a little cheaper, because I know I could have just put frames in the middle. Well, no, I couldn't. Yeah, kind of. Pressure plate. Step on it to get out. It'll lower the frame down. That works on both of them, in case you haven't noticed. So there's no possible way I could forget to lower that down and keep it safe. By the way, it should stop the explosion. There's the condenser. It's full of ice, obviously. Mag tubes leading down to the other reactor. Same deal as before. I think I built this one first, so it's a little less organized, maybe. Alright. Cable comes up here and around here to, yeah, I didn't do this very well. But, yeah, don't bother complaining about my wiring, because I'm not that good. In my server play, I'm going to be starting shortly. You guys can help me make a reactor if you want to get on. I'll explain more about the server play later. Same deal over here, just crappier wiring, I guess. Yeah, there's a NOT gate, thermal monitor, light, or lever. And wiring up. Oh, reactor looks the same. I ran a test run, that's the only reason they're on. And if you go down here, push pressure plate, and it's off. This didn't take me that long to build, actually. I mean, a few days, I think, at most, maybe. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I guess I'll just go ahead and show off everything, since I'll put the map up. Maybe for download if you guys want. Leave a comment if you want to be able to download the map. I think it's pretty cool, but you need TechIt 3.0.3, no, 3.0.4 if you're running it on a server. Single player 0.3. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. So, if I just go ahead and turn off, see, off. We're good. No, it's not. Shabam. Alright, we're good. Running the signal all the way up here. Here, warp, reactor. Oh, yeah, you can hear it. And it's using up ice rapidly. Why isn't that one getting ice? Oh, does that? Oh, no, that could be a flaw in my making. Oh my gosh, that's really loud. Turned it up and it goes down. I have a problem with my spacebar today. The reactor's not. Oh, that's not good. The heck? Oh, probably because one's closer. Yeah, I should have had 2 ice machines, actually. But, at least this one won't blow up. Because it's... Oh. That's not good. Alright, this was supposed to work better, so don't hate on it. It would be working better if the ice machine was working properly, but I actually care about you guys more than I do myself and my reactor, so, let's see, what's the heat at right now? Thermometer. Hang on, I can do this. Thermometer. I'll go ahead and show you around the rest of the map if you want. Ooh, whoa! 1400 heat. Oh, my server says it can't keep up. Oh, yeah, it stopped because it reached below. Yep. Alright, so you got to see the thermal monitor in place. It reached over 1,000 degrees. Whole heat 0. How is that possible? Did it cool down that quickly? I guess so. Because it's creating power again. Alright. That's cool. You get to see that in place. Go ahead, close the door. Because that's almost scary. So I give myself an EU. Sorry about the lag, guys. I think it's because of the reactors both running, and I have a bunch of timers and a lot of machines running. So yeah. Sorry about the lag. It really hasn't been lagging lately. Yeah, see that one stopped. EU is 0, obviously. And this would be... Whoa! What the heck? Oh no, did something blow up? My gosh. Holy crap. How did that happen? My thermal detector didn't work? Okay. There's a bat box powering the frame machines. Gulp. Okay then. Looks like I won't be putting this map up for download, because it's destroyed. Yeah. I didn't actually think I'd have to see this, but my failsafes apparently didn't work. Yeah. Here, I'll go ahead and show you my ice dump, since it's pretty cool. I don't know, I think it's a pretty creative idea. I'm just gonna forget that that all happened. My other reactor should be fine, thanks to the integrity of stone. Oh my gosh. I wonder why the other thermal monitor didn't work. Alright, time for the ice dump. We'll just head downstairs. And turn off the... Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, guys. This is what happens if you fail at making a reactor. If that had been working, I think it was my ice machine that didn't work. You're kidding? Oh. Fiber cable break. I'd be mad if that did. Why is the other one off, too? Alright, green. Alright, might be a problem with my cable. Shoot. Okay then. I guess neither of the reactors are okay. Ice dump. Please don't. If I can get up there in time. More reactor. Bam. Oh, I'm smart. Yeah. So it broke the chest, everything spewed onto the ground, and it picked up a lot of it. And there's probably 1,000,000 pieces of ice in the reactor now. Yeah. What the heck? Oh, a cable broke. Whoa. Okay then. Yeesh. Yeah, see, it just got flooded with ice. Oh my gosh. Well, you can see it worked, obviously. My frame machine kept it alive. My other reactor is technically able to run, except it's not. Alright, yeah. That's just great. Ugh. Well, the heck is this? Oh, Lego King was making his own reactor and running cable to his own reactor. Hope it didn't blow up too. I don't think so. But, yeah, I was playing with a terraformer. I wish this would load. But, yeah, and I tried to make a nuclear reactor there, and it failed. If you're wondering, this was my old reactor place. Lego also made that for me. He spent a lot of time on the server. This was my old reactor area with one reactor. It was a pretty good place idea thing. What the heck? Transportation tablet there. So yeah. It was a lot cooler. But, you know, didn't really do well. So that's pretty much what I've been working on. Making reactors so it'll blow up. That really pretty bad. Yeah, this is about, whoa, there's a hole in the wall. Okay, that's great. In case you didn't notice, these are 3 thick walls. I just used a mercurial ion pillar extension mode. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. You got to see a nuclear reactor kind of blow up, and my design before it blew up, thankfully. How is there ice still? Oh, nice. You got to see it before it blew up, my design. I think it's pretty cool. And that's really what I've been working on the past few days. Glad you got to see it before it blew up. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.